am Cymye, and today I received a new mystery box from Xiaomi. Xiaomi products is always good, so I'm very excited to see what is inside. Let's check! Mi 11i is gorgeous. It comes with a Snapdragon 888. It's the best CPU in the market right now. So if you like to play games, this mobile phone can play all the games you can find. In this model, we have one flat screen Super AMOLED 6.67 inch and 120 Hz for refresh rate. For the sound, we have a Dolby Atmos stereo sound. The quality is really good and you can check right now.
Catch a flight, I need to switch it up. Got that black boy joy, might do my dance on.
For the battery, we have one battery with 4,520 mAh and 33 watts fast charging. This is for sure a powerful phone, but what I like most in mobile phones is cameras, and Mi 11i comes with a self camera with 20 megapixels and a rear main camera with 108 megapixels. I really want to check the sensors, so let's go outside! Please leave in the comments if you like this model, and the full unbox video will be in my channel, Cymye. Thank you very much for watching these videos. See you next time.